Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your crab steal and grow a garden. First, familiarize yourself with your crab's unique stealing abilities and any limitations it might have. Next, pinpoint which specific garden items are most vulnerable to your crab's actions. Finally, observe the in-game environment to determine the best times and locations for your crab to initiate a successful steal. This foundational knowledge is crucial for effective gameplay and maximizing your gains. To maximize your crab's efficiency, focus on upgrading its core abilities through the game's progression system. A stronger crab can carry more and move faster. Strategically position your crab near high-value crops, ensuring it has a clear path to its target. Additionally, look for special in-game items or power-ups that can boost your crab's stealing speed by 25%, significantly improving its overall performance. For advanced players, exploring hidden pathways can give your crab an edge, allowing access to previously unreachable gardens. Mastering the art of timing is also key. Launch your crab's stealing attempts when garden owners are distracted or away. Furthermore, experiment with combining different crab abilities to unlock powerful synergies, potentially granting a 1.5 times stealing bonus on certain items. These tactics elevate your crab's effectiveness. If your crab isn't performing as expected, first ensure your game is fully updated to access all the latest crab features and bug fixes. Sometimes, a simple check of your in-game settings can resolve minor issues, like adjusting movement preferences. Remember, a well-maintained game environment leads to better crab performance. Also, for a different kind of upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's perfect for keeping your real-life space as tidy as your virtual garden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.